Thank you very much. I am Mongol Debarma, AGS of IPFT party and spokesperson of IPFT party. Today from our IPFT party and our allied organization, IWFT, Youth IPFT, Atisha, Tipra Pankrak Bodal and Indigenous Motor Worker Union. Organizing a program, sitting demonstration for indefinite period, for demanding that to create 6 scheduled area as Tipperland, full-fledged state as Tipperland. It should be very much needed to us because of if in our Tirpa Citizenship Amendment Act implement, then our identity should be decreased day by day. That's why Citizenship Amendment Act should not be implemented in our Tirpa. And as well as we demanding the NRC, National Register of Citizenship, it is very much needed to our Tirpa. We have known and we have heard that all over India NRC should be implemented. It is the thinking of central government. But till today, except Assam, not to any state citizenship NRC is implemented. That's why we are very vehemently and strongly demanding to implement the NRC in our Tirpa and not to implement Citizenship Amendment Act in our Tirpa, and to save and soil our land and we, the identity crisis that we are demanding to create 6 scheduled area, based on 6 scheduled area and Article 2 and 3 Tipperland. That is the main demand and that is the main reason for our demonstration from today and until or unless the demand should not be fulfilled, it will be continued for indefinite period. We are sitting demonstration. Thank you.